In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge contacts in Xero. Merging contacts is a quick way to clean up duplicates so your reports, invoices, and bills all tie back to a single accurate record. Before you begin, remember that a merge is permanent. If you're unsure, take a moment to double check the names you plan to combine and consider noting any key details you want to keep. Start on your Xero homepage. This is the main dashboard you see after signing in. Along the top navigation, look for the Contacts menu. It's where Xero keeps all your customers and suppliers in one place. Go ahead and click Contacts to open the Contacts area. From here, switch to the All Contacts view. This gives you the full list, which makes it easier to spot duplicates and confirm the exact records you want to combine. If you already know which contact you're working with, use the search bar to find it. Otherwise, scroll until you see it. Open one of the contacts you want to work with by clicking its name. On the contact page, take a moment to identify the matching contact you plan to merge with and memorize or note the exact name. Spelling matters here, and using the precise name helps you pick the correct record when you merge. It's a good idea to glance at details like email or address so you're certain you've got the right pair. Now, look for the merge option on the contact page. You'll typically find it near the top of the screen or within the contacts options. Click Merge to begin. A field will appear asking you to enter the name of the other contact. Type the exact name you memorized a moment ago. As you type, Xero usually suggests matching contacts. Select the correct one from the list to avoid merging the wrong records. When you're confident you've chosen the right match, click Merge to confirm. Xero will combine the transaction history and activity into a single contact, helping prevent duplicate balances or reports. Keep in mind this action can't be undone, so that quick double check before confirming is worth it. After the merge completes, you can return to all contacts to verify that only one version of the contact remains. Open the surviving contact to ensure the details and history look right. If anything seems off, adjust the contact's information so it's clean and consistent going forward. And that's it. You've tidied up your list and made Xero a little easier to navigate with just a few clicks.